Good morning, children. Today I am going to start exercise 3.16. Let's see what's matrix. A matrix is a rectangular array of elements. The horizontal arrangements are called rows, or vertical arrangements are called columns. Generally, we use capital letters to denote matrices. This is a horizontal line. Horizontal line represents rows. This is vertical line. But this vertical line represents columns. This is row and this is column. See, order of a matrix. If a matrix has m rows and n columns, then m cross n is called the order of matrix and is denoted as A m cross n. See, these are all the elements. Elements are always represented by small letters. The first row, second row, mth row. First column, second column, third column, nth column. The order of matrix is m cross n. Okay. We can express the matrix A as A is equal to Aij m cross n. The I represent rows and J represent column. The total number of entries in the matrix A is equal to Aij m cross n is mn. Types of matrices. First, row matrix. A row matrix is a matrix with only one row. This is an example for row matrix. Only one row and any number of columns. Okay, one row, first column, second column, third column. So 1 cross 3. Okay, next column matrix. A column matrix is a matrix with only one column. This is called column matrix. And zero matrix or null matrix or void matrix. Zero matrix is a matrix that has all elements 0. This is called zero matrix. This is 3 cross 3 matrix. Row 1, row 2, row 3. Column 1, column 2, column 3. So 3 cross 3 matrix. This is the order of matrix is 3 cross 3. Okay. Square matrix. This is the example for square matrix. 2 cross 2, 1 cross 1, 3 cross 3. These are the order of a matrix for square matrix. See this end. In a square matrix, the number of rows will always equal the number of columns. This is called square matrix. This is the example for diagonal matrix. These are the leading diagonal elements. The diagonal elements which are 2, 1, minus 1 is the diagonal elements. These are not equal and the rest non-diagonal elements are 0. The order of matrix is 3 cross 3. Scalar matrix. In a scalar matrix, the leading diagonal elements are equal and the rest non-diagonal elements are 0. This is scalar matrix. Unit matrix or identity matrix. This is a matrix in which all the leading diagonal elements are 1 and the non-diagonal elements are 0. This is a identity matrix. And the order of matrix is 3 cross 3. Next, transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix interchanging the rows and columns. Transpose of A is denoted by A transpose is equal to 2, 4, 3, 5. See how rows and columns are interchanged. Note A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. Let's start the exercise 3.16. In the matrix A is equal to 8, 9, 4, 3, minus 1, root 7, root 3 by 2, 5, 1, 4, 3, 0, 6, 8, minus 11, 1. Write the number of elements. First question. Second subdivision, order of the matrix, and third subdivision, write the elements. Given, first write equal to, write the given matrix. Next, first subdivision, the number of elements. Write the number of elements. How many number of elements here? In first row, 4 elements. In second row, 4 elements. Third row, 4 elements. And fourth row, 4 elements. Totally 16 elements. How many number of rows? First row, second row, third row, fourth row. 4 rows and 4 columns. 4 cross 4. Elements corresponds to, see listen, A22. A22, which means second row, second column. See listen, second row and second column. Second row, second column. Intersection point is root 7. Then A23, second row, third column. This is second row. Here second row, third column. First column, second column. The intersection point is root 3 by 2. A2, 4. Second row, fourth column. This is second row and fourth column. The intersection point is 5. A3, 4. Third row, fourth column. Third row, fourth column. The value is A4, 3. Fourth row, third column. Fourth row, third column. The intersection point is minus 11. A4, 4. Fourth row, fourth column. So fourth row, fourth column. The intersection point is 1. Second sum, if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? 18 elements, what are the possible orders? And what if it has 6 elements? See this end. The possible orders of the matrix having 18 elements are order 1 cross 18, 2 cross 9, 3 cross 6. Similarly, 18 cross 1, 9 cross 2, 6 cross 3. See, the possible orders of the matrix having 6 elements are 1 cross 6, 2 cross 3, 6 cross 1, 3 cross 2. Third sum, construct a 3 cross 3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij is equal to modulus I minus 2j. Given Aij is equal to modulus I minus 2j. The general 3 cross 3 matrices is A11, 12, 13, A21, 22, 23, A31, A32, A33. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. A11, A11. First, you have to find the A11, A12, A13. You have to find all the elements. See A11, ith row, jth column. One modulus I minus 2j. What's the I value? I 1, j value 1. 1 minus 2 into 1. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Modulus minus 1, the value is, they are written in positive, plus 1. Then A12. Find A12. I value 1, j value 2. 1 is equal to 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 minus 3, the value is plus 3. A13 modulus 1 minus 2 into 3 is equal to modulus 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5, the value is plus 5. Then A21, find A21, I value 2, j value 1. I value 2, the j value 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Then A22, 2 into 2, 2 minus 4, the value is minus 2, modulus minus 2, the value is plus 2. A23, modulus, I value 2, j value 3. Modulus 2 minus 6 minus 4, modulus minus 4, the value is plus 4. Then A31, 3 minus 2 into 1, 3 minus 2, modulus 1 equal to 1. Then A32, 3 minus 2 into 2, 3 minus 4, the value is minus 1, 1. A33, 3 minus 2 into 3, 3 minus 6, 3 minus 6 minus 3 is equal to, value is plus 3. The required matrix A is equal to 3 cross 3 matrix A11, 12, 13. A 1 1 1 2 1 3. The value is 1 3 5. First row value 1 3 5. 2 1 2 2 2 3. 2 1 2 2 0 2 4. 0 2 4. Then 1 1 3. 1 1 3. This is the required 3 cross 3 matrices. Second subdivision, Aij is equal to I plus j whole cube divided by 3. I plus j whole cube divided by 3. The general 3 cross matrix. This is A11. I plus j. I value 1. J value 1. I plus j. 1 plus 1. Then 1 plus 2. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 1 whole cube by 3. 1 plus 1 whole cube by 3. 2 cube by 3. 2 cube 8 divided by 3. Next 1 to A1 2. 1 plus 2 whole cube divided by 3. 3 cube. 3 cube. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27 by 3. The value is 9. Next. A1 3. 1 plus 3 whole cube divided by 3 is equal to 4 cube divided by 3. 4 cube. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64 divided by 3. A2 1. 2 plus 1 whole cube divided by 3. 2 plus 1 3 cube. 3 cube divided by 3. 3 cube. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27 by 3. The value is 9. A2 2. 2 plus 2 whole cube divided by 3. 4 cube. 4 by 3. 3. 2 plus 3 whole cube divided by 3. 5 cube divided by 3. 5 cube 125 divided by 3. A3 1. 3 plus 1 whole cube divided by 3. 4 cube by 3. 4 cube 64 by 3. A3 2. 3 plus 2 whole cube divided by 3. 5 cube by 3. 125 by 3. A3 3. 3 plus 3 whole cube divided by 3. 6 cube. 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. 216 divided by 3. The required matrix A is equal to A11 8 by 3 9 64 by 3. Next second row A21 2 2 9 9 64 by 3 125 by 3. Third row 64 by 3 125 by 3 216 by 3. It's required 3 cross 3 matrix. See, if A is equal to 5 4 3 1 minus 7 9 3 8 2, then find the transpose of A. You have to find the transpose of A. Which means first write the given value. Given A is equal to 1 minus 7 9 3 8 2. And find the transpose of A. Transpose of A, which means A transpose divided by A transpose is equal to, interchange the rows and columns. Here 5 4 is the row value, 5 4 3. Interchange this row, write in column. 1 minus 7 row, write in column. 1 minus 7 9 3 8 2. 3 8 2. The rows and columns are interchanged. That is A transpose. If A is equal to minus root 7 minus 3 minus root 5 to root 3 minus 5, then find the transpose of minus A. So given, I have written given A is equal to minus root 7 minus 3 minus root 5 to root 3 minus 5. Change the sign for all the elements. First write minus A. Change the sign for all the elements. Minus A minus root 7 plus root 7. minus 3 plus 3 minus root 5 plus root 5 plus 2 minus 2 plus root 3 minus root 3 minus 5 plus 5. Now find transpose of minus a. Then transpose of minus a means minus a transpose is it. Interchange the rows and columns of minus a. Root 7, root 5 minus root 3. 3 minus 2, 5. This is the answer. Let's start sixth sum. If a is equal to 522 minus root 17 0.75 by 2, 831, then verify a transpose whole transpose is equal to a. Written the given value, then find first you have to find a transpose and then find a transpose whole transpose. First a transpose and find a transpose. Interchange the rows and columns. 5 2 2. Here the rows you have to write in column. Minus root 17 0.75 by 2. 8 3 1. And again you have to find a transpose whole transpose. Again you have to interchange the rows and columns. 5 root 17 8 2 0.73 2 5 by 2 1. Now we get a value. Therefore a transpose whole transpose is equal to a. Hence it is verified. Next, seventh sum. Find the values of x, y and z from the following equations. 12 3 x 3 by 2 is equal to y z 3 5. Equating the corresponding elements. See, since the given matrices are equal, then all the corresponding elements are equal. Just equating the corresponding elements. Equating the corresponding elements here 12 y value is 12 and z value is 3, then here x is equal to 3. I have written the y value, z value, x value. The value of x is equal to 3, y equal to 12 and z is equal to 3. In seventh sum, second subdivision, first row, x plus y is equal to 6. Then 5 plus z is equal to 5. Z is equal to this plus 5 going as a minus 5. Now z value is 0. xy value 8, y is equal to 8 by x. Substitute this y value in first equation. Y equal to 8 by x in first equation, x plus y is equal to 6. X plus 8 by x is equal to 6 in cross multiplication. X into x square plus 8 equal to 6x plus move 6x to left hand side minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Factorize it. Split 8 into 2 factors minus 4 minus 2. X minus 4 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus equating each linear factor to 0. X is equal to plus 4. Then x minus 2 is equal to 0. X equal to plus 2. When x is equal to 4, y value is y equal to 8 by x. 8 by x. 8 by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are y is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, y value is 2 ones are 2 fours are. Y is equal to 4. The value of x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2, and z value is common 0. Then x is equal to 2, the y value is 4, z is equal to 0. In some third subdivision, first row, second row, third row, like that, first row, second row, third row. Equating the corresponding elements. Just even the corresponding elements. X plus y plus z is equal to 9. This is the first equation. X plus z is equal to 5. This is second equation. Y plus z is equal to 7. Third equation. Subtract 1 and 2. 1 minus 2, which implies, that's the first equation. X plus y plus z is equal to 9. X plus 0 plus z is equal to 5. Subtract these two equations. Change the sign. X cancel, y z cancel, then y is equal to 9 minus 5, 4. What's the y value? 4. Substitute y value in third equation. In third equation, y plus z is equal to 7. What's the y value? 4. 4 plus z is equal to 7. Z is equal to 7 minus 4. Z is equal to 3. Substitute z value in second equation. Z is equal to 3. X plus z is equal to 5. What's the x value? Sorry, what's the z value? 3. X plus 3 is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 minus 3. Then x is equal to 2. We get x value, y value and z value. Therefore, the value of x is equal to y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 3. Thank you.